Hi everyone, we're back with part 2 of our Food for Fuel mini-series for this year's National Nutrition Month. In our last video, we discussed the importance of fueling up our bodies before we move them, but it's also important to fuel up to rest and recover. So today, let's dive into what to eat and drink after different forms of physical activity. If you saw part 1 of this mini-series, you know now that there are 3 different kinds of exercise: strength, cardiovascular, and flexibility training. We discussed how to fuel up before, but what about after you move your body? It's just as important to refuel and replenish with the right foods in order to stay strong and energized as we recover. When you do strength training exercises, your body uses something called a glycogen store to provide energy throughout your workout. We receive glycogen through the carbohydrates that we eat. So after a workout, try incorporating healthy carbohydrates along with higher amounts of protein into your recovery snack. We just moved our muscles, so they also need protein to build and repair. Try to eat within 2 hours after your workout. After cardio exercises, it's also important to replenish with carbohydrates and protein as our bodies use the same glycogen stores for energy. For up to 30 minutes after a cardio workout, our metabolism is working faster and our muscles better absorb nutrients. So it's especially important to refuel with healthy carbohydrates and lean proteins right after finishing. Lastly, we still need to refuel after we stretch during our flexibility training. Try having a balance of healthy carbs and lean protein paired with a moderate amount of healthy, unsaturated fats. This will help repair our muscles, give us energy, and help us focus. Wait about 30 minutes after these exercises before you eat. Exercise and movement are wonderful for both our physical and mental health. So whichever exercise you choose, it's important to know how to fuel and refuel our bodies. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.